How to turn on or off timer on Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're gonna learn how we can turn on or off timer on Snapchat. So let's begin with the video and make sure to watch this video till the end to understand it. But before that, I want you to make sure to hit that like, share, and subscribe option. So first thing first, you need to open up your Snapchat app and make sure you have updated your app or downloaded the latest version of the app. After that, simply log in into your account and you'll be able to see your home screen on your screen. So what you're going to do is tap on this drop down option at the right side, and you should be easily able to see this timer option. So turn it on. You just need to tap on this timer option, and there you go, you have successfully turned on. So whenever you click picture, it will start timer saying 3, 2, 1, and it will click a picture. So that's how you basically set a timer. If you want to set it, turn it off, you may just simply click on this off option and cancel it. And that's how you basically turn off the timer on your Snapchat. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.